Alright, well hey YouTube, welcome to my channel. This is Hiphone Pro. I'm here to introduce my forum. Actually, I introduced it a while ago, but I'm ready to reintroduce it, which is hiphonepro.com. We deal with all the China-based iPhone clone phones and also the iPhone, the Apple iPhone as well. We deal with the Hiphone i32, the sciphone, the A88, you name it, we got it. First thing I want to show you about our forum when you get here is we help you to get a free Apple iPhone. And it is absolutely free. We got a lot of people who are saying, you know, I don't believe it, I don't think it works. Well, if you come here, all the proof is in the pudding. You're going to find everything you need to do it for free, as instructions as well as all the proof. So what you'll want to do is go down here to where it says free iPhone for the instructions. You can click on the banner and go right to it. But if you want all the proof and all the instructions, you go here to free iPhone down here and hit view comments. And I'm going to show you here. And this will give you all the instructions you need, all the videos, everything. I'll show you my iPhone. Here, I can show you mine right now. It's my free iPhone that I got. It's a wonderful thing. Definitely was an easy way to fix the i32 that I had, and that's why I started this forum in the first place. So there's all my proof here. It shows where I got the PayPal for $400, how I got all my referrals, everything you need to get it done easy and free. Alright, now let's get back to the pudding here. Hiphone Pro was started because I had bought an i32 Hiphone on eBay when they first started coming out. They looked amazingly like the iPhone, and all over the internet they were telling you this is the duplicate iPhone, 99% just like the iPhone. Not even you wouldn't even know the difference. Well, when I get this thing, it was so novel. It was absolutely not like the iPhone. I mean, it just had a sort of a sense of the iPhone, but it was absolutely broken in every way. It was the speakerphone didn't work, the calendar didn't do anything. It was junky, and the internet didn't work. Nothing worked on the phone. So I was so upset. And I wanted help so bad that I just created this forum. And it took off. I wasn't the only one, obviously. And we deal with a lot more than just the Hiphone i32, too. I want to make that known. We deal with the sciphone, the A88, the p168, all the China phones. Windows Mobile, Apple iPhone, everything's here. And that's what I'm going to show you. Before I do, I want to show you this YouTube video contest we're having. Anyone who is a member or who becomes a member here, what we need you to do is we need you to get on YouTube and even further promote this forum to help people, and also so that people can come on who have a lot of experience and knowledge with reverse engineering and doing things to these phones. If you win this contest, and let me show you what we have for you for a prize. We have a CECT an all MTK Chinese phone data software and manual. I mean, this is a CD-ROM, goes in your computer. It has all the modem drivers, video converters, MP3 to ringtones, 500 plus custom ringtones, new custom wallpapers, how to change all the phone languages, all the file management, all the language codes, all the engineering codes, how to set up the internet, on and on and on and on and on. This thing has everything. It's direct from the manufacturer, and you're not going to find it anywhere else. It's yours. All you got to do is make the best video on YouTube for the hiphonepro.com forum for us, and we'll get it right out to you. Also, I want you to notice here in the top we have our own toolbar. It's got scrolling announcements. Free iPhone button here. Also, you can donate through our toolbar, a YouTube drop down, and we're also going to be installing a chat box to that here shortly, probably today. Alright, so let's move on. Now what we're going to do is go ahead and enter into the forum, which you can click any one of the buttons that say forum there. After you register, you will not be able to view the forum unless you register. And when you first come in, you're going to be greeted by a speech agent. These things are great. He's just going to basically tell you a little bit about the forum here. Probably need to change that up. It's still a little Christmassy there. And we have a welcome center, forum announcements. We got the rules. Please read the rules, or else you may get banned or reprimanded in the forum. We do have karma here. There's buy, sell, and trade. I'm going to show you that a lot of members here are buying and selling and trading these phones here. I mean, look at this. If you're looking for a used phone or you're looking to sell one, come on down. There's plenty of room for you. Obviously, a lot of people are successful in doing this here, as you can see. And that's just one page. YouTube videos. Share all your YouTube videos on fixing these phones or helping other people's or promotion or anything like that involving these phones. But we do not allow spam from other people here unless they're supporting our forum. We do already have an advertiser here. They're known as sansanchina.com. Right here, you can click on their ad. You can get new phones there as well as laptops, MP3 players, you name it. They got a lot of stuff there, and they support us. They care about our forum. They care that we are successful in our endeavors to make the phones better. All right. Let's go back to the forum. And I just want to sum it up here for you, and then we'll get you on down here so you can see the real thing. We've got a mobile phone news, Hiphone Pro news right here. We got it. Here's our section for the Apple iPhone 3G. One moment. And we also have our own repository for the installer for the iPhone. It's hyphonerepo.com/repo. So go check that out if you have an iPhone. We have a section for Windows Mobile. We know how to turn these Windows Mobiles into the identical iPhone. So come on down and check that out. We also have just anything you could want for that. And if we don't, come and bring it. Let us know what you have. We have a section for the i32, p168 Plus, the iRgain F1, and the C-002. Now here's our pride and joy section. This is our Hiphone firmware releases and developer labs. It's amazing what these guys are doing to build this firmware. They tell you how to flash your Hiphone. They give you all the software to do it. There's a media editor. They've got these things looking great. Here, I'm going to give you an example here. This is the Oxa edition. Oxa is one of our members who created a firmware for these phones. Look at this user interface. I mean, you can see this does not look like your average i32 Hiphone here. I mean, this guy really did a great job at this. And these are some screenshots. And there's guys putting games on these things, Java games, everything else you could ever want to do with these things. I mean, it's just simply amazing. How to insert a bootloader to a brick phone. If you brick your phone, if you can't change your language, if you need help, if you need to get on the internet, if you have questions, it's all right here. We've got it. Tell your friends. We want you down here. We want support. Tell people that you know in other forums to come support us. Here's our sciphone area, the Hiphone 2. There's actually a new Hiphone i32 2008 edition. And that's just come out, so I want you all to be aware of that. I mean, this thing's got brand new firmware, and we're going to be ripping that out and putting it in the old Hiphones. Here's the ciphone, the one that begins with an S, S688, S689, P168, A380i, A8, D800i, A88, DM, M88, and all other phones. So we don't just deal with the Hiphone here. We got it all. We also have Hiphone Pro World, so we support different languages here. That's really important too. We have a lot of people here who don't just speak English, so we do support all other languages. At first we were just supporting English, but we realized not everybody speaks English, so we need to get everybody in here. Now what I want to show you here is we have 9,087 registered users already, and they are very active. I mean, look over here. Obviously, we've got some active people here in the forum, so as you can see, it's always people here to help you. So come on down, support our forum. We also give ranks. We've got Hiphone Pros. Let me show you our groups here. We've got ranks. We'll hook you up. If you want to be a developer, we'll make you a developer. If you want to be a pro, we'll make you a pro. If you want to be a coder, we'll make you a coder. We need administration. Well, we've got plenty of administration, but we need moderators here. We got some great moderators. We could use a little more help. We got a lot of members, so we need help here. So come on down and help us out. And, let us know if there's anything we can do to change or improve upon the forum. And we'll look forward to seeing you down here. And thanks for watching, guys. And subscribe to my channel here at Hiphone Pro. Have a great day.